Hey guys, this is just an important update right here that we do have a market crash. We have seen Bitcoin drop all the way down here to $30,000, but it has since recovered to 37,000, almost $38,000. So that was a huge wick to the downside. We do have a nice V-shaped recovery. If we go on the 15-minute chart, we are going down, but we are breaking back up into these moving averages, which is what we want to see here. We did have a drop here almost down to $30,000, 29,000. Let's measure that move all the way back from up top here. We do have a 25% gain back up to our previous prices here at $37,000. If we do make it back up, we do see the price of Bitcoin going back to $40,000, which is another major resistance because we did see that rejection right here from that point, and we saw a huge dump to the downside. But now we're making a very quick recovery, and we did make somewhat of a W pattern right here. W, right? So once we break this neckline, we can go back up here and retest this other area of resistance right here at 42,000, which is such critical resistance at this point because we did see our major resistance happening here between $42,000 and then right here where we bounced off at $38,000. So we were trading in these ranges right here before we found that massive dump here to the downside, but now we're trading below it, so we have to break back up into it, which could be by the end of the day or by the end of this week, because we do have options expiring at the end of this week with the max paying price of around $42,000 to $44,000, which is what we're going to see probably the price going, because the bears and the bulls are fighting right now, and you do see the options expiring does have a crucial role in the price here, along with a lot of leverage traders that are over leveraging the positions, creating huge amounts of buying and selling pressure on both ends. So we do see the price right now is quickly recovering. A lot of every single altcoin here in the market did take a nosedive today. So not only SHIB, but we have Cardano going back from 250 all the way down to 150, and then we do have Ethereum also going down from 4,000 all the way down to 2,000, which is insane. So we do see that crazy drop. But remember, when you're dealing with over leveraged people and leverage trading, the price is not going to stay there for too long. We did see a huge recovery back 25% for Bitcoin's price, and we did see a huge recovery for Ethereum's price. Let's look at SHIB's price as well, because this is very interesting to see here. In my last videos, I've been telling everybody that when it goes through this level right here to this level, it's a good time to buy. Not financial advice, but we did see a wick down here. We saw a nice bounce, and we are seeing, once we found that drop here, we did find our wick go all the way down here to this Fibonacci support level here at the 0.786 from my swing low to my swing high. We did see that, and then we did see a bounce, a nice bounce here up around, let's see that bounce over here, 69% to the upside. Now we're testing this area again. We have to, it's very critical that we have to close a couple 4-hourly candles above this area, this blue box, because once we start making our way back on this blue box, we can retest this area of resistance again. If we do get a rejection point, that means if the candle goes up here, comes back down, and then it closes below again, we could see another dump down here to 0.000007 area. And I did warn about this in my last video. If you want to go check that out, take a look at it. I did say if we do not bounce and we get through, we don't pass through this, then we are going to jump down here to this lower area of support. Then we do see another area of support right here. I can draw from this local high right here. So we could see the price, if it does not make its way back up here, come back down and then come and retest this lower area of support here too at the 0.000005 cent region. So that's just a quick update for everybody here that's freaking out in the market. They do see so much red across the board. Look, down 29%, down 20%, 30%. So it's not just SHIB, it is every single altcoin down 30%, 18%, 20%. And this is all because it's correlated with Bitcoin. Once we see Bitcoin's price drop, then we see every other altcoin suffer as well. We're seeing Bitcoin coming down a little bit more as well. So we have to see here at the end of the day, I'm going to make an update video on what happened more in depth, but this is just a quick update for everybody that is worrying or panicking right now. Just hold. That's not my financial advice, but that's what I'm going to be doing with my huge altcoin portfolio. I'm just holding because I know this is just another dip, another correction of the bull run. I do not think the bull run is over. I'm going to be updating you with another video later on today, so just be on the lookout for that. But that is it for this video. Peace out. So it says here in this article on CoinDesk that the total liquidation seen in the last 24 hours are short record $10 billion worth of forced closures observed on April 17 right here, this first huge wick. This is long liquidations. This green candle right here is a long liquidation. So everybody that was going long, knowing that the price was going to go up right here, got liquidated, meaning that they lost their money betting and using leverage trading to get more gains. And so you saw that huge drop in price. And we saw the same thing happen again. Not as crazy as before, though. We do see it's less volume, but it says since then, the market has almost seen daily liquidations of less than $4 billion every day. This is the whales. They're trying to manipulate the price because they know all this FUD is coming out about China, and they're getting as much money as they can before the next leg up. And it says here the data shows major part of recent decline from 55,000 down to 40,000 is primarily driven by the increase on the spot market derivative exchanges, so where you can use leverage trading. And it says the number of Bitcoin held on these exchanges has risen more than 65,000 BTC in the last 7 days, according to Glassnode. And investors are transferring coins to exchanges that they want to liquidate their holdings. And this is the first leg of the correction from 60K to 52, seen in mid-April, was mainly due to record liquidations, and we are seeing the same thing happen again. So forced closure of longs add to bearish pressures and the cryptocurrency, leading to an exaggerated price drop is what we're seeing here again, because look at the price from here all the way down here. It's just an exaggerated price drop. And this is the correction could soon run out of steam as technical indicators show oversold conditions. So furthermore, the order book is flashing signs of capitulation, the point at which traders trying to enter long positions being thrown in the towel. So they are throwing in the towel right here, but we do see that the selling pressure is getting less and less, even though we're seeing the price drop right now. That's why I'm going to be holding. I'm going to be holding my Bitcoin, my Ethereum, my altcoin portfolio. I'm holding through this because if I sell now, I'm selling at a loss, and then the price is going to go up, and I'm going to feel like a fool. So that's what I'm doing. I'm holding, but that's just some extra context here. Like I said, it was about spot exchanges and derivative markets here, leading to this exaggerated price drop, and we're seeing it across the board here: Cardano, Ethereum. But now they're making quick recoveries, so that's good to see here. But I will update you on a new video today, so be on the lookout for that. Peace out.